To create a new document, go to File, New, New Document. If you're planning to use spreads, select Facing Pages. By default, the units of measurement are set up to picas. You can change these settings under Edit, Preferences, Units and Increments. You can add pages under Pages panel. Master pages allow you to set up templates with recurrent elements. This can be very helpful when working with multi-page documents to preserve the consistency and expedite the workflow. You can have multiple master pages. To add a new image, go to File, Place, select an image and define the size by dragging. You can also place the image inside the image box. To adjust the size, right-click and go to Fitting, Fit Content Proportionally. You can also fit box to content. To add a text, create a text box and paste the text. Select the text and the image and apply text wrap. Go to Window Text Wrap to open the panel. Set up the distance between the image and the text. To wrap the text around the image with transparent background, select Alpha Channel under Contour Options. To expedite your workflow, use paragraph styles. Create a new style and apply it to recurrent elements. To make the changes, go to Style Options or double-click on the style. All the changes will be instantly reflected on the elements that use this style. Readers don't like a lot of text. To improve readability, Let's convert this document into a two-column layout. I will show you how to link the columns and let the text flow. Go to Layout, Margins and Columns. Select the two columns. You can also adjust the gutter width between the columns. Remove the text wrap. Cut the text. Create two text boxes and paste the text. The text boxes are disconnected now. Note, if your text overflows the text box, you will see the plus sign. To flow the text, use the selection tool to activate the text box. Click on the output. Now the box has a little arrow and the text follows your mouse cursor. As you mouse over the destination text box, you will see the link symbol. Click on the text box to link the two columns. Adjust the width of the text box to see the text flow. Alternatively, you can activate the import, click and drag to create the other text box. Adjust the leading, the typeface, and the size of the elements. Avoid orphans and widows. When one line is separated from the rest of the paragraph, it's called a widow. When the last line of the paragraph has a short word, it's called an orphan. Orphans create the illusion of double space between the paragraphs. They can be easily corrected by resizing the text, adjusting the tracking or hyphenations. Lead your reader into the text with the drop caps by emphasizing the first letter or word of the paragraph. You can create drop caps by using the paragraph palette or styles. And remember that more typefaces don't mean better designs. You can achieve beautiful professional designs using one typeface. If you want more practice, try to improve this layout using one typeface and submit it for extra credit. To export the file, go to File, Export, and select PDF. To export your file for web, select the smallest compression settings. To export your file for print, please make sure to bleed the elements that extend to the edge. Set up the bleed settings based on the printer requirements. Go to File, Export, and select Print Quality Compression. Define the crop marks and bleed settings. Note the difference between the two documents.